Welcome to episode 2 of the Moto vlog. Man, this is going to be more of just a straight vlog without the moto part, unfortunately. I'm sure you can see what's happening in the background here, and it's not a good situation for riding my new bike. But so there will be no YZ250F in this video. Just wanted to throw that out there in the beginning, just a quick disclaimer. And yeah, it sucks. We got a snowstorm here in Vancouver, so I am going to just try and make the best of it. I made myself a promise that I would try and shoot a video at least once a week, and I want to stick to that even if I can't ride the bike. And but I just wanted to shoot the beginning of this outside, just so you can kind of see what's going on. It's absolutely beautiful. And but not beautiful for riding motocross. And so what I'm going to do is take the rest of this inside. My camera's getting kind of soaked here. All right, we'll see in a bit. Well, even though the weather is not cooperating for riding this weekend, I'm going to try and stay positive. I'm going to switch it up, rechannel my energy, and focus on things that I can control. I can think of 3 things that I should be really focusing on, and that would be my diet, my exercise regime, and also mental clarity and focus. I think mental focus is might sound bizarre, but I think that might even be one of the more important ones. I'm really distracted lately. There's a lot of stuff going on that pulls my attention. And again, this is going back to things that I can't control. Things I see on the news, things I see on YouTube, and a lot of it is quite unhealthy. So I am trying to break away from that and focus on positive things. I've actually noticed it in my riding a couple of times where I'm literally not in the moment of riding, and we all know that can spell absolute disaster for riding. So I really need to get my head on straight for all of this. This is a big undertaking, getting back into motocross and trying to stay safe out there on the track as well. I'm going to try and wrap this up. I don't want to make this video too long. But this is definitely, I guess if there was a theme to all this, this would be a video about just letting go of things that you can't control and trying to channel your energy into a positive space. Even though we can't ride, well, a lot of us can't ride. This is a pretty bad time of the year for a big part of the country. Maybe it's got people down a little bit. It definitely has me down. It's kind of surprising, you know, how much I think about it, how much I think about the bike and riding, and especially just getting back into it. So I don't want to be bummed out about it. I want to channel my energy in a positive way, and I hope that everyone else can do the same and try and stay positive in these pretty crazy times. So I'm just going to wrap it up here. Kind of running out of things to say here. And next video, I will definitely have a bike to show you guys. I got a GoPro. I just bought a Hero 9. Super excited about learning how that works. I got it mounted to my helmet, and so I'll be doing some POV shots I'll be including in my videos. And again, it'll just be a progression of my videos of my progressing as a rider, and I want to kind of get into how it's affecting me on maybe kind of more spiritual level. It might sound a little flaky, but it definitely has affected me in a pretty deep emotional level. I'm sure a lot of people out there that ride dirt bikes know exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to continue this journey. We're going to wait out this weather. Hopefully, man, I don't know. I'm hoping the next couple of weeks or so things are going to clear up. Things can change pretty quickly as well. You know, the weather can take a turn for the better quite rapidly. So really hopeful for that. And people that have subscribed, this is a brand new channel. I'm very thankful, and I appreciate any support. And if you have any stories you'd like to share about your riding experiences, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, take care, everyone.